right to it. There are three major news stories coming out of Iraq. One, the Iraqi Prime Minister's agenda for Monday's meeting at the White House with Joe Biden. Two, the progress with the Development Road Project and Saudi Arabia. And three, Iraq's manufacturing kicking into high gear to generate more revenue outside of the oil industry. However, the United States may not be happy about this new manufacturing project.
How will the upcoming meeting between President Joe Biden and the Iraqi Prime Minister shape the future of international politics and the fight against terrorism? In a world that's constantly changing, political meetings like this one can significantly influence the course of global affairs. On April 15th, President Joe Biden will host Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani of Iraq at the White House. This meeting is a crucial opportunity for the United States and Iraq to discuss common priorities and strengthen their bilateral partnership. The agenda for this important meeting revolves around several key issues. First and foremost, both leaders are expected to reaffirm their commitment to the Strategic Framework Agreement. This agreement underpins the relationship between the two nations and their shared objectives. Defeating ISIS is another top priority on the list. With the U.S. troops' role in Iraq being advisory and supportive in the fight against terrorism, this meeting is an opportunity to reiterate that commitment. It's worth noting that the U.S. military's role in Iraq is distinct from its combat mission in Syria. Financial reforms, economic development, energy independence, and modernization in Iraq are also expected to be discussed. These issues are critical for the stability and prosperity of Iraq and have significant implications for the broader Middle East region. In summary, the upcoming meeting between President Biden and Prime Minister al-Sudani is set to touch upon several critical issues. From reaffirming their commitment to the Strategic Framework Agreement to discussing ways to defeat ISIS, from financial reforms to economic development, energy independence, and modernization in Iraq, this meeting has the potential to shape the future of the U.S.-Iraq relationship and the broader geopolitical landscape. There is more good news coming out of Iraq. The Development Fund for Iraq has signed memoranda of understanding with 12 Saudi companies. A statement from Saudi Arabia's Ministry of Investment did not specify the companies or the details of the MOUs. In additional news, Iraq's state-owned defense industry has said it has begun producing Norinco VN-22 686 armored vehicles. The Defense Industry Commission of Iraq, DICI, posted a video on its Facebook page on the 1st of April, in which engineer Mustafa Ati Hassan, the president of the Military Industrialization Authority, stood next to a VN-22 to announce the start of production of a 666 vehicle he did not name at the Al-Rabi factory, which is in southeast Baghdad. He provided no further details of the program, with the video showing a production line for 4.4 light armored vehicles, not the VN-22.